Hey, what's going on, guys? Crazy Sam here behind the phone. That's why I got to record. But today, I told you guys I want to talk to you about the TinyHawk. I just finally got it. It came in the other day, and boy, this is something else. I had a little trouble with my stick calibration on the radio. When I checked, ended up being on the software. Betaflight, but it was easy fix, and here I am to show you what I did. For those that don't know what this is a TinyHawk, and it's got a 2500 milliwatt, 25 milliwatt VTX. But if you brushless motors, and it's like a whoop style stretched out X. If you guys want to check more about this, Josh Barwell has a video on it, and Albert Kim and Nick Burns. They're good reviewers, and they got pretty much how to set it up and all that. All I wanted to show you was what I ran into right off the box. It did come with one battery, no extra props, and this you can see this is a flexible frame. So all right, let's plug it in and show you what I have wrong on it. All right, let's do that now. So here we are, we're in betaflight, and as you can see, you can get your closer. We got our configurations here, and show you a little bit. It comes with D-Shot, and it's set up at 8 kilohertz and 8 kilohertz for the board to run on. And this is your basic stuff. I got my telemetry on, air mode, OSD, anti-gravity, and all that good stuff turned on. And it does have a little buzzer. It beeps at you when you lose it or something. You can set up a beeper. And let's go now here to PIDs. That's actually the thing I want to talk to you about. Well, I did tweak with this a little bit. This was set at 90 and it was kind of slow. I did put it at 100, and then I can yaw quicker now. This came just like that. I haven't touched none of this, none of this, none of this, none of this, except right here. And here, I turned this down. It was up 60. I turned that 20. At the end is your rates. You can do your own rates, so you can have your curves and all that. And that's my setup on this particular one. I'm trying it out, and little by little I'll play with that. But the thing was, right here, on your angle and horizon strength, this tells the radio, hey, we only gonna work so far, and every time you deflect the stick. So I haven't touched this side, but right here they had it set up at 25, 20, and this one's set in at 20 also. 25, sorry, 25. So what I did, I set it up at 50, so I can go, when I deflect the joystick, it'll tell, the transmitter will tell the brains on the TinyHawk, hey, we can go farther in that angle. Other than that, that's what I did here. I turned the VVAP compensation, for it. And other than that, I did my regular setups through like my modes. I got it came with angle and horizon turned on. I left horizon because to do indoor flying and do a flip or two. You can set a beeper. It has this little ESC noise, so you can do that. I don't think I turned on. They say it don't come with this, but it did have this turned on. So what I did was I set up one of my switches, and I haven't tried yet, but I'll let you know if that works, because I don't know if my issue was that I don't know. I think I couldn't move my stick farther enough. Well, I can go all the way, and it wasn't moving as it should. But it comes with this, so I don't know if they just flash something on here and then boom, and then got one of those lucky people that they got one like that. So here's my OSD. Just regular setups. My telemetry and RSSI, and then my channel, and then the name of the quad and the modes, so I can remember, and my timer, so I know what time, real time I'm running. So there's my little info on the TinyHawk. I did put my antenna out so I can get better reception on my goggles. I did crash this thing, and one of the props came out and didn't break them. I guess you can see, as you can see, but it did come off, and I just snapped it back on and continued to fly. I purchased this myself, so I'm just giving you my impressions. I'm not getting paid by Emacs or any of that. I didn't get it for free either. Like, hey, go check it out. But like I said, we got some good guys out there that did some reviews on it, and go check them out. If I remember, I'll put a link below to their channel. Yeah, they'll tell you everything about it that you want to know. But I just want to share what I have problem with on this one and share it with you. I don't know if you got the same trouble, but hey, that's how I fixed mine, and we're good to go now. So until next one, I'll see you guys, and keep on flying.